It's good, YouTube. Drugs NYC back. Finally back. I'm not fully back. Not fully back yet, but about to get this part today. I'm picking up the all black front grill, the kidney grills. I found it for still on the market, so I'm about to pick that up right now. Only thing about it is that it won't have the X3M badge on it, but I'm gonna buy that separate and put it on. I got it for still. I'm only getting it for $40, so that's perfect. I'm still waiting for that next mod I told y'all in the last video. I'm waiting for it. But hopefully this week, at least by Wednesday, Thursday, hopefully. Just take you on a POV drive while I'm on my way there. 29 minutes away. Been in nothing but traffic and bad roads. Finally got some clearance. It's crazy. I've been driving for a nice 50 minutes in traffic. This is my first time getting some clear roads. So it's a good thing I started recording now. Driving in efficient right now. I set this as my M1 mode, just a comfort. When I drive in this mode, it really do save me some gas, though, I'm not gonna lie. Once I put it in M2, my M2 is Sport Plus everything. I'll put it in here in a little bit so I can see. But yeah, hopefully by this week, I should have some mods coming in. I want to start this process so bad, but it's like, I honestly don't want to rush the car. Like, all my other cars, I always finish in like 6 months, 6 or 7 months. But this one, I'm really trying to take my time. But I'm definitely going to try to do everything possible. Y'all should put in the comments what y'all want to see me do to this truck. And if you're not already, the links to my IG and my TikTok is in my bio. So follow me on there. I'm more active on there. Y'all could at least see, like, if I do any mods or, you know, regular content. I do reels. I just make content while I'm not on YouTube. So y'all can follow me on there. I can see what's going on. Alright, we found another route. Let me put this in M2 more. Definitely slipped right there. I think that's the best part about this car. That comp exhaust. Honestly, this setup is fine to me. Like, I'm obviously gonna get a better setup. I'm obviously gonna get a better setup, but for right now, like, this is doing perfectly fine for me. I like how this sounds, the tone, everything. So I'm gonna just get down pipes, add that on, see how everything sounds after that. But that's gonna be the setup I run for right now. In the meantime, until I get an actual exhaust. I've been looking at mid pipes too, but I don't think it's worth it. It sounds fine how it is to me right now, and I don't think it's worth spending. From what I've seen a couple for like $1,000. To me, it's not worth spending $1,000 on a mid pipe, and for me, I could just buy a whole exhaust. So the part has been secured. It's right here. I can't see. It's looking tough. Yeah, like I was saying, one thing is that it doesn't have the X3M badge on it, but I'm gonna try to order it on eBay or something. Or you never know, I might just leave it off. It's not that big of a problem. It's a small detail. But that's one thing done. Honestly, that's gonna do a whole lot for the front end. Like I saw the front is missing. Just that black grill. That's all it really needs. Yeah, let me know in the comments if I should do the carbon route or a gloss black route. I need the X3M badge on the fender, mirror caps. I'm gonna get a diffuser. But I might see if I could install these in the morning and finish off the video. Alright, YouTube. It's the next day. About to start it right now. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's crazy.
Think about it. I do want to have the V-bars. What I might do, I think there's a spot nearby that got some wrap. I might see if I can take it in right quick for them to wrap it. But I'm going to take out this side too. And just rock it for a little bit, but y'all see. Y'all see it, all black.
There we go.
Yeah. Alright, so we got the front grills off. I found a spot that's gonna wrap my V-bar for me. I'm gonna get it done in white, and I'm gonna do the front glass. I'm gonna finish the tints, do the front glass in a little bit. It's a big difference off rip. No, this is tough.
شوية بس كامل. خلاص زيد.
ويني؟
هنا جنب البوكس هذا حط على المفتح.
Y'all, this is a finished look. Did my front end yesterday also. I forgot to show it in the video. The car looking way better now. Also, if y'all notice, I'm in the same location that bagged the Benz in. Y'all should know what's coming.